everyone, I am Sakshi Dhanokar. Today we will discuss about the noise pollution. So what is noise pollution? Noise pollution referred to as a harmful or distributing a sound that disturb the normal activities or in a human or harm the human health or disturb the wildlife in our environment or in our surrounding. It is typically caused by human activities and can have a serious consequence on both the environment and the public well-being. Now we see guys the common source of noise pollution. First one is transportation. In transportation consists the road traffic, then air traffic, rail traffic. Road traffic consists the cars, buses, truck due to the noise pollution contain. In air traffic, that is a aeroplane, helicopters causes the noise pollution. In rail traffic, that is a train, subways, etc. that lead to cause the traffic pollution. Second source of noise pollution is the industrial and the construction activities. In industrial and the construction activities, there is a machineries, power tools, etc. are responsible for the noise pollution, and the any other equipment that is are used in the manufacturing or the construction of a certain products in a industry, that is caused due to the noise pollution. And the factories or plant with a loud machineries contain cause of noise pollution. Third one source of noise pollution is urbanization and the entertainment. In urbanization, loudspeaker from the contents of the club, then public events cause the noise pollution. Then commercial activities like a bar, nightclubs or restaurant with noisy patterns cause the cause the noise pollution. So fourth one source of noise pollution consists as a household and the domestic noise. In household and the domestic noise consists the lawn mowers, then vacuum cleaner or air conditioning unit, that are all responsible for the noise pollution. And the loud televisions, music, conversation, these are also responsible for the noise pollution. Now we see the impact of a noise pollution in a human life, their health effect on impact on other wildlife, their entire environmental consequences, etc. So the impact of a noise pollution in the human life or human health effect. First one is a hearing loss. Due to the noise pollution or high loud early noise causes the prolonged exposure to the high level of noise can lead to the permanent hearing damage. Second one is stress and the anxiety. Stress and the anxiety is also caused due to the noise pollution. This is a chronic exposure to the noise is linked to the increase of stress, which can lead to other health problems including high blood pressures, heart diseases, then sleep disturbance. These are all affected due to the noise pollution. Third one is a sleep duration or sleep disturber. Due to noise pollution or high loudspeaker consists the noise at a night can affect the sleep quality, leading to fatigue and diminish the mental health of a human being. In case of reduce the cognitive performance, so prolonged noise can impair the concentration, learning and the productivity, particularly in a school and the workspaces. In case of impact on wildlife, so noise pollution is also impact on the wildlife. So it disturb the animal communication, mating and hunting behavior. Second one is they affect the migration and the breeding pattern of a various species or animal. Third one, they can lead to hearing damage in an animal, then particularly marine life like fishes, then other marine sources like whales and dolphins that really heavily and echolocations, etc. And the last one is the environmental consequences. Due to noise pollution, the environmental consequences occur. So noise pollution can degrade the natural ecosystem and biodiversity in our surrounding or in the world, so affecting both plant and the animal life equally. So it can alter the ecosystem, making the areas less habitable for some species. Now we see the mitigating noise pollution. First one is urban planning. In case of urban planning, zoning laws that separate the residential areas from noisy industries or transportation hubs. Second one is soundproofing of buildings, especially in high traffic urban areas. In case of transportation control, promoting electrical vehicles such as which are quieter than the gasoline powered ones, for example metros and the electrical bicycles, etc. then implementing the noise reducing road surface or sound barriers, then reducing the air traffic in a noise sensitive areas. Third one is a technological solution. In case of technological solution, development of quieter machineries and the construction of equipment are responsible due to noise pollution, and use of noise cancelling technologies in certain environment, for example headphones, soundproofing, etc. In case of behavior and the legal intervention, the noise pollution enforcing the regulation on a noise level, then particularly in residential or mixed use zone, and then educating the people about the noise control and the importance of reducing unnecessary noise. This is all about the noise pollution. Thank you.